Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a coming soon page on your site. So let's get right into it. Now, what a coming soon page is, it is something that's called a landing page. This is where your guests will land on, and the main purpose of this is a page which will display instead of your entire site, and where people won't be able to go to other pages on your site. Now, to set up your landing page, we're going to go into our pages menu, click on plus next to main navigation, and click blank page. We're going to make a blank page, and we're going to name it coming soon. Name it like that, and now it's a completely empty page. For this, we're going to edit it, add a new section. I'll add a blank section. Then I'm going to add a new block. I'm going to add a text block, edit it to make it a heading 1, and I'm going to move it up in the top left, the maximum where I can do it. It's over here. Change it back to heading 1, and we're going to name it coming soon. I'll just extend it so that it goes inline like so, and then we're going to add a new text block by clicking add block, add text, drag it under the coming soon page like so. And we're going to write this website is still in development. Check later. We're going to keep that, and now we're going to save it. Now, once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click on the gear next to that page. Under general, we're going to scroll down, click set as homepage, click confirm, and then go over into navigation and disable both the header and the footer just to remove any possible links from the page. And this is what it looks like now. I'll just change the text and drag it a bit under the other one. And now that that is done, as you can see, now we have our coming soon landing page, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.